Welcome to Daily Devo. I'm Pat. Today we're going to talk about the sixth commandment. Perhaps you remember those humorous commercials about Captain Obvious, the ads that mocked people who couldn't see something that was so clear to everyone else in the room. Or maybe you remember the comedian whose monologue included, "Here's your sign." Again, making fun of people that say something that is so blatantly obvious that it's foolishly funny that it was even said. I kind of think the sixth commandment falls into this. Here's what it says, Exodus 20, verse 13. You must not kill. Here's your sign. Seriously, did we as humans need to be told not to kill each other? Apparently we did, because history is overflowing with us finding every new way under the sun to take each other's life. Now, I'm going to go out on a limb and just assume that those who are listening to our daily devos don't need me to explain why it's wrong to murder other people. I'm going to venture and guess that none of you have a pen and paper and are currently plotting how to kill someone. So what does this command to not kill teach us about the character of God? Oh, so much. This is one of the many places that God's word will tell us the high value that God places on human life. Go back to the beginning of this story and it will become very clear that out of everything in all of the universe that God made, nothing else is created in His image. Only humans carry that mark, which means that every human being that you ever lay your eyes on is fearfully and wonderfully made, as the psalmist wrote. Every human who has ever lived or ever will live is a work of art, a masterpiece, a symphony written by our God. It's what Paul reminds us of in Ephesians chapter 2. What does this mean for us? It means that there is nothing in all of God's creation that God values more than human life. And if God values human life that much, shouldn't we? Today, may we treat every person with the dignity and the honor and the respect and value that they deserve, simply because they, like you and me, are a masterpiece of our Creator.